We're back here again. Earlier I showed you how to cut the inside cucumber for the sushi rolls, but this time I will be showing you how to actually thinly slice out the cucumber using the katsuramuki technique, and then you can also make your sushi roll with that as well. So we'll go ahead and cut this one. Take the end off. Okay. And I'll go ahead and use the same saw technique, which is back and forth. Yeah. The goal is to get it as thin as you possibly can without cutting yourself. As you guys can see how long the cucumber is getting, almost like turning into a sheet. Okay, so I'm about to end this here at the core because we've arrived at the center here. Once again, we don't want to toss that, we'll set that aside, but this is what we're looking for. Okay. We'll go ahead and dry this off. All the moisture is off of it. I will go ahead and cut the dark green skin part off, only because it'll just add more bitterness to it. And I'll just use this as a garnish or decoration for our plating. Okay. That. Set the roll there. Let's talk about filling inside. Okay. Okay, not a whole lot. You only need a little bit. Add some texture. And then I'll use some salmon as well. Do you have any salmon? Okay. As long as you know what it was made from, so that's good. And then let's use some salmon and tuna. Is that okay? It is. I'll go ahead. Use the chives for the inside as well. I'm going to put that in there. Oops. Okay, and then we'll add some. I already have some snow crab in there, or excuse me, some imitation crab. Then I'll add some salmon to it. Let's put some avocado. Why not? Quarter it. Okay. Okay. We'll set that one in here. Just one slice like that. So I decided to use the smoked ukula, which is a dry aged smoked salmon. So we'll go ahead and use that. I'll go ahead and slice the ukula, and we'll lay it in here. Really good stuff. So delicious. It's really wonderful. Okay. Push the ends in. Really tuck it. Tuck and roll. Push the ends in on both sides and roll. hands on both sides and roll. Okay. I'll turn it towards me. Okay. The goal is to get 5 slices out of this. So we got 1. Okay. 2. 3. And then 4. Yeah. Set our plate here. Sure, decor is set here. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's trim this down a little bit. Keeps tipping over. Hopefully it'll stop.